Hey friends, this is how I painted up my Hello Winter snowman with the pine trees window box insert that is offered over at the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina. Guys, this is how the window box insert comes with all of the dimensional pieces. I just usually like to separate them so I can find them very easy. And so I just start out by giving the big pieces a coat of just some antique wax. Now, I just like the rusticness of it. It kind of gives a little bit of darkness underneath that coat of paint. Now, this window box insert is from a series from the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina. I have done several of these before. The window box. The window box itself is purchased separately, and I do have a video of how I did mine in the chippy look because I like that look. But if you go on the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina, underneath the window box, there are several other options that some of her other affiliates have done. You can paint it up any color you want to match your style and your decor. And so that's what's the beauty of creating is that we are all individual and our job here is just to encourage, to inspire you, to give you a place, a resource to purchase the things that you see us do on videos. And so that is my purpose here is to share how I did mine, kind of give you my affiliate link. If you do shop through my affiliate link that's listed in the description box below, I do get a little bit of commission that helps my family. And I am so appreciative of you supporting small businesses. Now, guys, I am just going to paint mine up in just the colors that I want, and I'll put the paint color names in the description box just for easy reference. But you can use any colors you want. I like to use the Americana paint line, and so I just love that. It's a little bit thicker, and it's just something that I prefer. But I also like Dixie Belle, and the Paint Couture is also good that Christina offers on her website. And so, again, we're just here to encourage you, to inspire you to create something for yourself and for your home. I had first painted the Hello Winter just in a black and just highlighted it in white, but I had a different idea that I'll share a little bit later, and I love that so much better. And I think you will too. You probably spotted it on the picture of the thumbnail. Now, I will just let you watch me paint here and just kind of do the different techniques that I do. If there's something that you're unsure about, just leave me a comment and I'll be happy to answer and explain exactly what I'm doing. So I'm just using some glitter puffy paint just to add a bit of sparkle to my projects. Of course, winter needs a bit of sparkle, especially on the snowflakes. Now, guys, for the Hello Winter, what I did is I just took some white paint and just kind of make it look like snow, a snowdrift, snow, kind of catching there on the top of the letters. And then I'm going to go ahead and just take my fine glitter and just add a bit of that because I just love how it looks. And this is perfect to keep up all winter, not just for Christmas. This will take us all the way through Valentine's Day, through the end of winter until spring begins. Friends, I do have a playlist of all of the other DIY wood kits that I've done for the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina. I'll leave a link for that at the end of the video that you can quickly just click on that, go through the list, play it, randomly if one you're looking for, or you can just play it and have it playing in the background. And I do appreciate that support of my channel. I appreciate your sweet and kind comments, especially in this holiday season. This will be the first Christmas without my loving husband. Lost him unexpectedly during the summer, and so I do appreciate all of your prayers of support and your kind comments. I just know that my husband has seen the face of Jesus, and I am so appreciative for each and every one of you. God bless you. We'll see you in the next video. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you very soon. Bye, guys.